the bottom one then? Everyone's got their camera out, like, come on, we're so cool.
It was that button flap.
It proper stinks as well.
Yeah.
No one's sat on the cow yet though. Supposed to be an eyeball, don't take.
That's first night.
Yeah, looks like it.
Oh, you just did him, thank you.
Yeah. And that's their balcony.
Where's Frankie?
Does anybody have any spare pressure tickets? Anyone?
Shout a bit louder.
Sophie! Sophie! Shut up. Sophie! What's going on up there? Who's on fire? Oh, I see.
I'm guessing like food was burning, you could smell it. Frying egg? Probably it could have been like 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, I would think if it was in the morning, it would wake everyone up.
Yep, I've had that. It was not nice when I visit my sister at uni.
Oh yeah?
It always happens.
I think it's finished now.
I think, yeah, the 5 people haven't come out yet.
I was going to zoom in on the cow for a bit. I can't zoom with this, I can't change it. What Avery's about to do. Oh. Oh. Should milk the cow.
Quick, take that.
Milk it!
Look. What's the cow called?
Hey?
It's an amazing cow!
Oh, I just killed myself.
Is it going well?
Yes, thank you so much.
A day in the life of Oakley.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Yeah, they're the ones at the fat party last night.
yeah.
Oh, Melvin's come out.
Oh, he won't be happy. They'll have a lecture now.
30 quid fine.
No, what's happened?
Really?
Fire alarm.
You can watch it all on video.
Yeah. You missed the cow as well.
Hey.
Hi.
If you were horrible, we would spit on your head.
Oh, thank you. That's real funny.
I'm joking!
Email your person.
Like, quick, everyone get inside now.
I'm not sure about if the email's correct, so I'll ask about it tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, of course. Right, I'm going to go post
Oh, could you help me, like, open it?
Yeah, sure.